Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel your subscription on DistroKid. Next is just click this icon, then click on your account. Scroll down for a little bit until you can see Manage Membership. Just click it, then click Cancel Membership. Then from here, just scroll down and fill up all the necessary details in this section. Then once done, just press on cancel my membership. So all your plans and subscription will also be automatically canceled and you won't be billed anymore. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily cancel your membership in DistroKid. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!